今集咧要講嘅咧，我哋叫做 The most ordinary face in the room is winning。咁咧就係講緊一啲關於近年唔係香港啦，喺呢個世界裏面咧見到嘅一個現象，就係、一啲素人比較冇不修邊幅，或者係比較冇 marketing 嘅人咧，反而會喺 marketing 嘅市場贏過一啲有 marketing 嘅策略嘅人，係咪？即係 JFFT 咁樣咧，你會見到係比其他一啲度過計算過嘅一啲直播台主更加出名。咁就係問緊點解啦？點解會咁多所謂素人會爆紅咧？不過今次咧就唔係用嗰個 JFFT 去做例子，今次係用緊啲香港嘅 Auntie 啊。如果你有即係可能你未必上過未必有睇開 Facebook 啦，或者未必睇開一啲比較係師奶群嘅一啲紅人啦。其實好多啊，40幾歲、30幾歲、50幾歲呢一類嘅 range 咧，近年嚟你睇一睇你阿爸阿媽，其實都全部玩 IG 玩 social media 啦，係咪？咁佢哋 follow 嘅人就唔會係我哋 follow 嘅人啦。而其實30幾歲至50歲嘅年齡群，即係最多人噶嘛。咁所以呢一班人 follow 緊嘅嗰一班網紅咧，所謂 KOL 咧，先係最多人 follow 嘅人，而唔係當然後生仔 follow 嘅都多，但係最好有一班隱世紅人啊，就係呢一班 aunties 啫。咁就係問緊點解呢班 aunties 會咁紅咧？我哋有3個原因嘅。第一個原因咧就係呢個咧好有趣，我哋叫做而家咧係一個所謂都人工智能化，所謂都太過修飾過啊，所有嘢都係完美啊。喺呢個年代裏面咧，人類就會變成最稀缺嘅資源咯。所以不嬲都係噶啦嘛。我哋乜嘢係稀缺，乜嘢就係貴。Scarcity 咧，英文 scarcity 就係稀缺啦，呢個字，稀缺性。咁乜嘢係稀有嘅，乜嘢就係珍貴嘅。Based on呢個原則嘅話咧，今時今日喺呢個 The Age of AI 裏面，喺個 AI 嘅年代裏面咧，人就係最稀缺嘅資源啦。所以一個 unscripted 嘅 clip wins because the internet is drowning in things that are not real。呢個就係個 topic sentence 啦。一個冇稿嘅影片贏，點解贏咧？因為成個網絡都係俾大量嘅非真實嘅嘢咧充斥住。我哋可以學呢個字啦。Is drowning in 就係指咧係俾某樣嘢係drowning 嘅意思，即係浸親啊。平時係俾水浸親噶嘛，今次咧就係俾呢一啲唔真實嘅嘢咧掩蓋成個 internet 啊。We now scroll past AI-generated faces, auto-written captions, filtered selfies and chatbot replies that sound human but come from no one。你一路碌 IG，你會見到有大量嘅人工智能生成嘅面孔啦，即係啲咩水果短劇啊，嗰啲勁戇鳩，唔知有冇睇過啲咩香蕉蘋果橙嗰啲水果短劇啦。跟住有大量嘅大量嘅 Threads 上面嘅文章，或者 IG 上面嘅文章圖片，全部都係 AI gen 啦，全部都係 AI 嘢啦，然後全部都係完美嘅，講嘅口吻完全都一樣嘅，就係係咁唔係咁唔係咁係咁，即係全部都一樣嘅。跟住大量嘅 AI 面孔啦，全部都 AI 修飾過啦。咁喺呢一個咁樣嘅年代底下咧，the more the feed fills with this polished manufactured content, the more a clumsy and raw clip of an actual auntie bickering stands out。即係話咧，當你個Instagram 嘅 feed 咧充斥住大量嘅完美加工過、人工製造過嘅內容咧，一個笨手笨腳未經加工嘅一個真正嘅 auntie 喺度鳩噏，bickering 就係鳩噏，喺度鬧嚟鬧去咁樣啦。其實就會 stand out 咯，because it carries the one thing that a machine cannot fake。因為咧，佢承繼住一個機械人拎唔到嘅嘢，就係一個真正嘅人咯。In a real kitchen, who might say the wrong thing。關鍵嘅就係佢會 make mistake，係咪？佢講錯嘢，佢會口窒，係咪？佢會 dead air，係咪？佢會尷尬，佢有情緒，但 AI 冇。Scarcity is what creates value, and in an age of soulless automation, unscripted humanity has become the scarce good。稀缺性咧係創造價值嘅嘢，而喺呢一個冇靈魂、自動化嘅世代底下咧，一個冇稿嘅人性，即係冇 unscripted 咧，即係不被計算過啊、冇稿啊嘅人性咧，就成為咗嗰個稀有嘅產品。good 呢度意思係解貨品。So the audience is not chasing talent。今時今日咧好緊要啊！今時今日嘅觀眾咧係唔係追求緊嗰個人嘅才華啊？我哋今時今日追求緊嘅咧係嗰樣嘢嘅真實性，我哋所謂 proof of life 生命嘅證據，或者另外一個字咧叫做 authenticity 啊，即係叫做真誠啊，就係佢真唔真咯，係咪？真唔真？最關鍵嘅就係佢真唔真。今時今日咧已經唔係一個 talent wins over 嘅年代，即係唔係一個用 talent 去取決 你成唔成功嘅年代，而係用 attention 啊嘛，注意力，邊個捉到注意力，邊個就係成王啊嘛。咁喺呢一個AI 嘅年代咧，注意力擺喺邊度，咪就係擺人度咯。The auntie goes viral precisely because surrounded by flawless robots, she is unmistakably human。好簡單，點解 auntie 會 goes viral 啊？因為佢就係最毫無疑問地係一個真人咯。你望翻近年嚟咧，IG 嘅 reels 當然啦，有啲整得好睇嘅片當然都會爆紅啦。但係有部分嘅片咧係好奇怪啊，即係你見到咧係好 hea 嘅，但係 hea 得嚟咧有啲即係你唔係真係 hea 搞，hea 得嚟咧有啲。你感覺到 hea 啦，但係其實佢係精密計算過，精密計算過嘅 hea 就係最高層次嘅 hea 啊嘛，係咪？咁就係好多呢啲咁樣嘅片啊，就會變得好 viral 啦，好紅啦。下一個原因咧就係呢一個啦，就係信任啊，係點解咁多咁多廣告咧？近排會揾 JFFT 做廣，即係咁多公司會揾 JFFT 做廣告咧，就係因為呢班 JFFT 呢班人咧嗰個代言嘅時候咧，佢哋係一個賣緊一個信任啊！我哋望一望佢而家呢個 marketing 嘅策略，佢話 What ordinary curators really sell is trust, and they win it by appearing to want nothing from you。好緊要呢個。一個普通嘅 curators，佢哋 sell 緊嘅嘢咧就係我哋嘅信任，而佢哋贏取呢個信任點解？因為佢睇落 appearing to 睇落好似咧 want nothing from you 咁，唔係好想喺你身上拎到啲咩嘢咁。Decades of advertising have trained Hong Kongers to brace the moment a polished face starts talking。係人都係啦，係咪？咁多年嚟嘅廣告咧，就訓練咗香港人去戒備。當你見到一個好靚嘅畫面，化晒妝、gel 行頭、着晒西裝，同你講：喂，你要買乜咁樣啊？如果今時今日我譬如做 IG 廣告，同你講：喂，你要 join regular course 啊，你唔會想 join 嘅，因為你感覺到一個 celebrity 嘅 endorsement，一個代言睇起上嚟咧，成為咗一個交易。So the brain quietly discounts it， 然後嗰個腦袋咧就好自然咧就會打折扣，因為你要嘅唔係呢一啲咁樣嘅 direct selling 啊，即係唔係一啲好直接嘅 sell，因為佢有目的性係嘛 purposeful 嘅呢個係。And auntie reviewing， 但係如果相反喎，如果一個 auntie reviewing her rice cooker carries no such warning label。即係你阿媽咁樣，或者你個 auntie 喺佢屋企裏面咧拎住個飯煲同你講話，哇！呢個飯煲咧，我尋日煲完兩麥飯，好好食咁樣。你唔係好覺得佢 sell 緊嘅，因為佢係 share 緊佢真實嘅 experience 咯。She looks like she is talking to a friend。佢好似同一個朋友講嘢咁，not closing a sale， 唔係促成緊一個交易。And that absence of an obvious motive is exactly what makes her believable。而嗰樣嘢，即係嗰個。一個好明顯嘅動機嘅缺席啦 ，absence 係缺席啦，一個動機嘅缺席即係冇動機啊，就係令到佢睇起上嚟咧好 believable 啦，好令人相信啦，係咪？所以你譬如可能大部分嘅學生補我咧，一係就係你朋友介紹，一係就係 Threads 介紹，係咪？好少人係望到個 IG 廣告，哇！呢個 IG 廣告好似幾好播，係咪？好少㗎，通常然後就報好少㗎，通常都係人哋介紹啦，然後。嗰個介紹咧就唔係一個我俾錢佢介紹，唔係槍手嚟㗎嘛，佢唔係打手，咁嗰樣真實性同埋嗰個信任感就會令到你想補我咯。而嗰個 IG 嘅講基本上係完全幫唔到我做任何實際嘅收生，係咪？跟住啦 ，the uncomfortable mechanism underneath it，the uncomfortable mechanism 啦係指機制，係咪？機制 underneath 就係在乜乜底下啦，即係。一個底層嘅邏輯啊 ，is that the most effective sales pitch today is the one that does not look like a selling at all。呢個好ironic 嘅就係今時今日咧最有效嘅銷售策略咧，一個銷售嘅演説啦 ，pitch 即係一個演説啊，即係我 sell 你咁就係一個 sales pitch 啦。今時今日最有價值、最有 effective 嘅 sales pitch 咧，係一個睇起上嚟咧唔係 sell 緊嘅 selling pitch，OK？Renowned 而呢樣嘢咧。好出名嘅一個 term， 我哋叫做 stealth marketing 隱性行銷。Brands understood this facts. Brands understood this fast, which is why they now pay ordinary-looking people to keep looking ordinary。好緊要啊！所以點解即係佢哋明白隱性行銷啦？所以佢就會俾錢啲 QL 咧，去令到佢哋一啲普通樣嘅人睇起上嚟 keep 住係普通樣。我就係唔想搞彎佢個 look，唔想搞彎佢個 trust。The trust is real whether it is always earned is the open question。即係咧，所以個 trust 係最緊要嘅嘢啦。OK，第三呢個咧就係關另外一樣嘢事嘅，就係我哋嗰個the gatekeeper 嘅問題。我哋呢度咧，而家呢個年代咧有樣嘢叫做呢一個democratization of fame，係咪？呢個咧只不過係一個好 fancy 嘅方法去講一樣好簡單嘅嘢啫，就係人人都可以出名，係咪？將人人都可以出名變成呢一個咧，就睇落好似好勁咁樣啦。佢哋好多嘢都可以用呢個democratization 去做嘅。例如咧，我話人人都有網絡用啦，咁就係 everyone can use internet， 係咪？但我可以話 the democratization of internet access 咁樣。其實講嘅係同一樣嘢嚟嘅，就係某樣嘢嘅民主化。The deepest appeal of ordinary fame is what looks like the democratization of fame. The gates to becoming known seem to swing open for everyone。即係話咧，點解咁多人會想做一啲KOL 啊？就因為咧今時今日咧 fame 呢樣嘢咧，即係出名名氣呢樣嘢咧已經被民主化，因為通往名氣嘅道路咧，基本上係為每一個人打開咗，swing open for everyone。Being seen once required connections。嗱，以前咧呢樣嘢咧係俾人哋覺得係需要有 connections 啦，要有一啲即係要有嗰啲關係啊，要有資金啦，要有個傳媒公司嘅許可。今時今日咧，一個小朋友基本上都已經有100萬以上嘅流量，100萬以上嘅 subscription， 而佢仲係住緊公屋，乜嘢都冇，淨係得一部手機，係咪？In a city where wealth, housing and opportunity feel locked behind inherited advantage。喺一個城市裏面咧，你會覺得可能係財富啊、樓宇啊、機會啊，好似係一啲世襲嘅優勢咁。但係呢一個 promise 咧已經係 intoxicating 啦，即係 that promise is intoxicating 嘅意思係咩咧？就係名氣民主化嘅呢個承諾咧，聽起上嚟咧係令人陶醉嘅。點解？因為證明你可以白手興家，係咪？ Talent alone at last is enough。但係其實咧唔係嘅。即係睇起上嚟咧，好似民主化咗，話好似係人人有飯食喎，係咪？人人有工練，人人都可以做 KOL，其實唔係啦。點解咧？因為往年喺以前嘅年代咧，我哋所謂嘅嗰個 gatekeeper 守門員就係你嘅關係、你嘅資金。以前呢個守門員咧已經冧咗啦，但係一個新嘅守門員咧就入咗嚟啦。The trap is that the gates never actually vanished; it simply changed shape， 就係話咧。冇消失過啊！佢只不過係變咗另外一個形狀，亦都係不斷咁篩走一班人，令到佢哋永遠都唔會出名，然後接納一班人，令到佢哋永遠都會出名。The platform's algorithm 啦，就我哋嘅演算法 is now the invisible gatekeeper deciding by hidden rules whose face is pushed to a million feeds and whose vanishes into silence。呢個守門人咧就決定邊一個會被送去。我哋嘅公海裏面俾成千上萬嘅人睇，邊啲人咧嘅面咧係永遠都會消失，係咪？So a generation told that anyone can make it is really auditioning for a system it cannot see。所以咧，我哋今時今日嘅世代咧，每一日你喺 IG 裏面 po 嘢咧，基本上就係試緊鏡，而呢個試鏡咧，你係為緊一個冇人知嘅系統試鏡，係咪？佢每一日都改緊嘅，每一個月嘅佢嘅 algorithm，佢嘅演算法。都改緊，邊啲係出名，邊啲唔出名。3年前 Reels 唔出名，今時今日 Reels 出名，可能3年後 Reels 唔出名，邊度 Threads 出名我唔知啊，係咪？由視頻變做文字，文字變做聲音，聲音咁可以變做乜嘢啊？可能變翻做文字，who knows？所以好多嘢變化緊，所以你就係試緊一個你唔知個機制係點樣嘅系統嘅鏡，係咪 ？Negotiate with or hold to account. The old gatekeepers at least had names. This one hides inside the code. 所以呢樣嘢咧睇落好似好簡單，其實現實就唔係嘅。OK，咁啊為此咧出咗個 mock 題目，咁你哋可以試下做啦。當然啦，你做咗今個禮拜，我俾呢個 mock 題目先啦，即係 pros and cons of secondary school students taking internships 啦。咁你可以試下做呢個。咁就係講咧 ordinary people with no special training or celebrity background are suddenly become hugely popular online, sometimes more popular than professional stars。我哋要寫一個 article for your school magazine giving your opinion on this trend and discussing what it shows about young people today。要講翻點解咧會有呢個 trend。OK，咁你可以自己作文。OK。咁啊，最尾呢度咧好緊，呢個就係範段啦，咁冇咁多講啦。我裏面用咗啲比較深少少嘅 concept 啦。我想大家學呢啲咁樣嘅睇新學英文嘅時候咧，俾多啲心機去學最尾呢一版，我哋叫做 conceptualize words。基本上咧，其實 我哋好多時候咧，一啲好簡單嘅嘢咧，都可以俾人講到好複雜，睇起上嚟都勁好多。例如我話 You are lazy 咁樣睇起上嚟係咪好似好戇鳩咁啊？係嘛？You are lazy 你好懶惰係咪？但係如果你能夠學一啲所謂概念化嘅生字嘅話咧，你好懶其實概念化就係我哋所謂嘅躺平主義咯。如果我話你好懶咧，聽起上嚟好似好戇鳩咁，但係如果我話將個英文變做 You are embracing the ideology of hedonism，或者 You are embracing the ideology of lying flat，你個中文就係變成你喺度擁戴緊一個意識形態，個意識形態就係躺平主義。其實咪即係 You are lazy 係咪？但係我咁樣講完，即係你好似覺得哇，好似好勁咁樣喎，係咪？我運用咗啲乜嘢咧？就運用咗 conceptualize words 概念化字眼，呢啲就係概念性字眼。所以其實每一期嘅睇深刻學英文咧，裏邊啱啱我講嘅原因咧，你聽完就算都 OK。但係呢個咧，希望你哋可以揾到一兩句記低。我想你今日最主要學嘅咧就係呢個注意力經濟，好緊要。我哋同埋呢個 scarcity of the authentic 真實感嘅稀缺。注意力經濟咧應該唔難明嘅，就係今時今日咧揾到錢嘅重要嘅唔係咩唔係嗰啲咩我哋所謂轉化率啦，亦都唔係你嘅曝光率，亦都唔係資金，唔係咩關係，係乜嘢？係 attention。你捉唔捉到 attention？係咪？咁你就可以學一學呢啲字，然後作文嘅時候用到出嚟嘅話咧，其實係非常之 impressive 嘅。OK，就咁今期。